everyone, today we will make sticker at home. So for this you need white page and you have to draw some random drawing. After that you have to border it with black marker pen or black sketch pen. And then you have to color it. I have colored it with Dom's pencil color. Then you have to cut it. After that you have to cover it with tape for make it shiny and for good stickiness. So I am sticking in butter paper, so I can also remove it. You can also use a transparent paper. So you can see I am removing it from transparent paper and sticking it into a notebook. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye.